Hello and welcome to quick overview of AutoID and dynamic QR code feature on My Measurement Assistant application. Today, I'm really excited to share with you how both of these features can enhance your planning, operation, and maintenance strategy for your ABB measurement devices. At ABB, we truly understand the importance of maximizing resource utilization, minimizing inspection time, reducing time and cost, and ultimately mitigating the risk for our customers. To access the AutoID functionality, you can use any camera application on your mobile phone and you can scan the QR code on the ABB devices and it will instantaneously identify the device. Alternatively, you can use My Measurement Assistant application and use the QR code scanner on the app to scan the AutoID QR code and it will provide you much detailed information. It will identify the device. It will also tell you what is the serial number of the device and it will also tell you what is the life cycle status of the device. And on the same page, you will also get access to all the documents, commissioning checklists, and the error code checks for that particular device. On the other hand, dynamic QR code feature is there to support you from the operation and maintenance perspective of the ABB devices. Dynamic QR code, as the name suggests, is a dynamically generated QR code on ABB devices. You can scan this QR code on My Measurement Assistant application and you get instant access to the complete health report of the device. So it will give you all the diagnostic details of the device instantaneously. You can use dynamic QR code and you can save around 20 minutes of your time for every service intervention. And if you combine it with the error code check functionality on My Measurement Assistant, combine it with Genix Copilot and with the case creation feature on My Measurement Assistant, you can easily save upward of 30 minutes for every service intervention. To summarize, both AutoID and dynamic QR code functionality is there to support you in every step of the way, making your maintenance support smarter, easier, and personalized. For more information, you can reach out to ABB support team, and I would also encourage you to visit My Measurement Assistant application and experience it yourself.